our respected principal, management, all teachers, and all my dear friends. Today is the 4th of December, and it's time to honor our brave Navy soldiers for protecting us from our enemies. This day is dedicated to respecting and honoring our soldiers.
Well said. And to build on that, our class 9A will be presenting an assembly on Indian Navy Day. From serving the country to taking care of their families, the Indian Navy has done a lot. Some of their major achievements are Operation Sankalp and Operation Samudra Setu.
It's nice to see that you know something about our Navy, Srimati.
Thank you. And now it's time to see why this day is celebrated and its importance.
Good morning, everyone. This is Nitya, and I'm going to speak about the importance of Navy Day. Navy Day in India is celebrated on 4th December every year to recognize the achievements and the role of the Indian Navy to the country. 4th December was chosen as on that day in 1971. During Operation Trident, the Indian Navy sank four Pakistani vessels, including PNS Khyber, killing hundreds of Pakistani Navy personnel. On this day, those killed in the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971 are also remembered. This day is marked to honor the brave hearts of the Indian Navy for their selfless service to the nation, as over the years it has carried out many operations in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, including those for the rescue of Indian citizens. This day is also important because the whole nation pays homage to all the martyrs during the war. Thank you.
Thank you for increasing our knowledge, Nitya. Now we have Monish to see the list of activities across the globe to mark the significance of the day.
The reason we are like this today is because of some great force that is protecting us at the borders and the sea. Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Mohanish, and today I am going to talk about how Navy Day is celebrated in India. In India, we celebrate Navy Day on 4th December by parades at various port cities as well as organizing public meetings at inland naval establishments. The week before the Navy Day is called the Navy Week, followed by the last day called the Navy Day. Various events take place during the Navy Week. On this day, the warships and aircrafts of the Indian Navy are open to visitors such as school children. Year 2020 celebrations will take the viewers to a 360-degree virtual reality tour of the INS Vikramaditya, commissioned on 16 November 2013. Various events are held and a particular theme is chosen every year. Last year, on 2020, the theme was Indian Navy Combat Ready, Credible and Cohesive. I would now like to conclude my speech. On Indian Navy Day, let us salute all the heroes who brought us freedom and all the heroes for protecting our country. Thank you. Wish you a happy Navy Day and have a wonderful day ahead.
That was amazing. Next, we have Saket and Ritanjay reciting a poem on the Navy Day. Let us hear their ethereal voices.
A very good morning to one and all present here. This is Saket Reddy Challa from grade 9A, and I am here to recite a poem on the occasion of World Navy Day. Let's begin. Dear Lord, I'm just a soldier, a protector of our land, a servant called to battle when my country takes a stand. I pray for strength and courage and a heart that will forgive, for peace and understanding in a world for all to live. My family's prayers are with me, no matter where I roam. Please listen to me when I'm lonely and return me my home. I hope you have a wonderful Navy Day and thank you for giving me this opportunity to recite a poem on this occasion. Thank you.
Thank you. And to conclude this beautiful assembly, we have Anvita.
Now we have come to the end of the assembly. I would like to conclude by saying Navy Day in India is celebrated on 4th December every year to recognize the achievements and role of the Indian Navy to the country. During Navy Week and the days prior to that, various events take place, such as an open sea swimming competition, ships are open for visitors and school children, there is a veteran sailors' lunch, performances by the Naval Symphonic Orchestra, and Indian Navy inter-school quiz competition happens, and a Navy half marathon as well as an air display for school children takes place. Soldiers are representatives of their countries and the guardians of the peace during times of war. We should respect soldiers because they are ready every time to fight and give sacrifices for the safety of our country. Thank you.